Hi everyone, this is Muhammad here, and in this video I am going to show you a live demo of the scrapping board for Amazon.com. So follow these steps to use this board on your Windows PC. When you will receive this folder in a zip file, you have to extract it in a simple folder like this one and open this folder, go to application files, open this folder, and then you will see Amazon.com scrapping board.exe file. Okay, you have to run this file. You will see this board here, and then click the start button to launch the board. If you want to change address, you can change it from here. I don't want to change. Website is loading right now. Okay, website is loaded now. Our bot is asking that select your category and click me. Okay, so we can select our desired category from here, like I want data storage devices, and from here we can apply any kind of filters, like I need price filter 25 to 50. Okay, when we have the product listings here, then we can click this message OK to start scrapping. So I'm going to click this. Our bot is scrapping the products right now. Here is a slider. This is the phase 1 of the bot, and here if we want to start second phase, then we can simply click this button. Otherwise our bot will start second phase automatically when it does scrapping the URLs of the products. So I'm going to click this scrap button to start phase 2. Click it, and now bot will scrap all the product informations. This is a totally customized bot. These are the basic information that we are getting from Amazon. If we want to add more data columns or anything else, then we can customize it. Okay, here is the product name, brand, directory, price, description, and product details, ASIN number, total ratings, product rating, image URL, image name, and source file. Right now our bot is also downloading the images. Let me show you where it is. Like here, downloaded images folder, we have to open it, and you will see the files here, and we can track these images with these names. And at the end, if you want to export the files, just one second. Okay, website is loading now. If you want to export, then we can simply click this export button. Bot will export the both phases in the Excel files, and it will ask you to open these files. So yes, I want to open these files. Okay, this is the first file with the URLs, and this is the second file. This is only a demo, and I hope you will get the idea of the bot. And if you want this bot, you can contact me. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.